Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a tracking number on Woocommerce. Before we start, it's important to be reminded that before this, you must already have an advanced shipment tracking application already installed from the plugins marketplace. With that in mind, let's get started. First, go to wordpress.com, log in your account, and this action will lead you to your dashboard. In here on the left panel, click on Woocommerce, then click Orders from the side menu, and you will be led to a new tab of all your orders. Click on the order you want to add a tracking number in. Then in this new tab on the right panel, click on Add Tracking Info under the Shipment Tracking section, and this side tab will open. Type in the tracking number in this first field, then choose a shipping provider, and then click on Fulfill Order down here. And that is how you can add a tracking number in Woocommerce. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.